Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to get started with GenKit in Node.js. So let's start. So first you would require Node.js version 20 plus installed. So I have already installed it, so I'm not going to go through that. Okay, then what I will do is I have just opened VS Code, and here inside my workspace I'll just create one folder name first. You can name it whatever you feel like, it's up to you. So I'll just drag and drop it over here. Once I have done that, here you can see we need to first install this dependency. Now to install this dependency we first need to create an package.json file, right? So I can just navigate to my directory. Okay, I'll clear everything out. Then first we need to run npm init-y. So let's just run it. Here you can see it has created the package.json file for us. Then we just need to copy this command and paste it over here, so it will install the dependencies for us. Then we need to create an API key. So to create an API key, you can just click on this option, get an API key from Google AI Studio. You can just go to this particular URL, and here you can just click on get an API key. Okay, then here you will see this button, create API key. I'll just create an API key. Okay, I'll just create this, create API key. So it has created the API key for me. I'll just copy this. Okay, and I'll just for now I'll just paste it over here. I have not saved it anywhere, so I've just created a new temporary file where I have the API key. Then I'll just create an index.js. Instead of using JS, I will just use MJS. So it will support module systems as well, but if you want you can use TypeScript as well, so it's up to you. I want to keep things simple, that's why I'm using MJS. You can't directly use JS because it has a sync-await syntax that we can't directly run from .js file. Okay, then just go to package.json, and here I'll just add two commands. First one is start, and here I can write it like this, and here instead of .js it should be .mjs, and I will just add one dev command as well. But here I'm not using nodemon, so I will again do the I'll do the same thing, node index.mjs. okay, then here I'll come to index.mjs. I'll scroll down, I'll copy this, and I'll paste it over here. So here you can see I've literally copy pasted everything. So here I have used Google AI. Here is our GenKit. Then here we are using Google AI, and the model which you are using is Gemini 2.0 Flash. So if you want to use a different model, you can check the documentation on how to use different AI models as well, but you need to pass the API key as well. So I'll just do this, something like this, and here we need to pass our API key. So I'll just copy this. Okay, I can close this, and I'll paste my API key. Okay, I'll paste my, I don't know what's happening over here. I'll just paste it like this. Let me just copy this, command X. Okay, I'll paste it over here like this. So yeah, so here we have pasted our API key. This part is missing in the documentation, I don't know why. Maybe it is still in initial stages, that's why. So yeah, that's it. Now you can ask it whatever you feel like. So here I have set it as hello Gemini, right? So I don't want to set hello Gemini. I'll just ask who is Lake Bell. Okay, so she is an actress, but I think there is a place called Lake Bell as well, but let's see what answer it gives. And I think I have missed one thing where we need to add this type modules as well, but like I don't know where to add it inside package.json. So once I run it, it will give me an error which will tell me what exactly I need to add, because I'm using MJS, that's why we have to add that type module or package module, something like that. So let's just wait for a second. So okay, it did run. Wow, I thought it might ask a module. Has it already added it? I don't see it anywhere. I mean, the index is main. Why this is something like, I think it should be like, I mean it did ran, I don't know. So here you can see Lake Bell is an American actress, writer, director. Yeah, I'll just run it again. Just it should have given me an error, but I like I'm happy that it ran. But yeah, here you can see. So let me ask who is Nicole Kidman. Okay, and let's try to run this. So she's also an actress. Let's just wait. So here you can see is one of the most, yeah, it has given all the answers for it. So yeah, hopefully you got the point. That's how you can get started with GenKit in Node.js with Gemini. Thank you for watching. Bye.